Here is a truth that is easy to miss. A car that looks shiny and clean after a repair is not automatically a car that was repaired correctly. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to be direct about something that matters more than most people think. Appearance and quality are not the same thing. A paint job can look great in the shop under artificial lighting and turn out very different in natural daylight. A surface can look smooth and even and still have poor adhesion underneath. A color can seem close enough until you park the car outside and realize the repaired panel is a slightly different shade from the one next to it. And beyond paint, a repair can look complete and still have underlying issues. Panels that are not properly aligned, mounting points that were not fully addressed, components that were replaced with aftermarket parts that do not fit as precisely as the originals. The outside looks acceptable, but what is behind it tells a different story. This is why informed customers ask better questions. They don't just look at the car when they pick it up. They look carefully at panel gaps. They look at the alignment of trim pieces. They look at the repaired area in different lighting. They ask what parts were used. They ask what standard the shop was working toward. Because a shiny surface is easy to achieve. A genuinely correct repair, one that looks right, fits right, holds up over time, and was built on proper process, takes more than that. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, our goal is not to give you a car that looks repaired. Our goal is to give you a car that looks like the accident never happened, because the repair was done the way it should be. That means proper prep, proper products, proper paint process, proper quality control before the vehicle leaves the shop. So, when your vehicle is returned to you, you should feel confident in the result, not just hopeful. If you want a repair shop that holds itself to a real standard of quality and not just appearances, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We believe the finish matters all the way through.